Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Poco for wallpaper changes. Check that your Poco runs MIUI 12 or later before proceeding. Make sure the device is unlocked and you remember the screen lock PIN or biometric method. Back up any custom lock screen images to gallery or cloud storage so you can restore them later. Confirm you have stable battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Close apps that might block settings or themes while you work. Open Settings and tap Wallpaper to access lock screen options directly. Choose Lock Screen and then scroll to find the default wallpaper or Remove option. Select the default wallpaper to replace your custom image with the system one instantly. If you prefer themes, open Themes and tap Wallpaper, then choose Lock Screen and find your current wallpaper. Use Remove or Reset to clear the custom file and confirm the action when prompted to apply the system wallpaper. If settings or themes fail, open Gallery and locate the lock screen image manually. Tap the image, open the three-dot menu, and choose Set as, then select Remove or Set as Home only. You can also clear Themes app data at Settings Apps Themes Clear Data to force the default wallpaper. Reboot your Poco after changes to ensure the new lock screen takes effect. As a last resort, go to Settings about Phone Reset Settings to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.